Hello friends, today we will be discussing about DigiLocker. So what is DigiLocker? DigiLocker is a digitization service that is provided by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Department under its Digital India initiative. So what it does is, using DigiLocker, you will have access to various digital version of your documents like the driver license, vehicle registration, and your mark sheets, in fact your PAN card and Aadhaar card. So it will allow you to download the documents via this app, which you can use for various purposes like the KYC in the banks, or submit your documents to any government department or even to the private offices where you need some documents. So you do not need to carry your document or you need to take photo of your documents. You can simply download this app on your mobile or on your laptop also, and you can enter your details like the I card, your PAN number or your Aadhaar number, and you can download those documents online. So to do that, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to go to this website, or if you are using your mobile, then you can download this app also. So just search for DigiLocker, open this website. So the first step is you have to do the sign up. So you click on this sign up button, enter your all details, your name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID, and one 6-digit security pin that you will need when you log into the app. So I already created my account, so I will show you how you can use it. So for me, I will click on this sign in button. I will enter my mobile number. So now it asks me for a pin that you will set up while you do the sign up. Okay, so it will log into this website. Now by default, I already have downloaded my Aadhaar card. So this way you will see the Aadhaar card once it is downloaded. Apart from it, you can download various other documents. So if I go to the search documents, go here and then just scroll down to the, say for example, I want to download my mark sheet. So I will go to this state. So you search for the state for which you belong and your mark sheet belongs to which state. So just click on this and say, for example, I want to download class 12 mark sheet. So you need to be ready with your roll number for this. So I remember my roll number. So I will enter my roll number and the year of passing and just click on this checkbox and click on get document. So you will see that your request has been submitted. Please wait for confirmation from the issuer. So see, now you can see the mark sheet is downloaded here and you can see the mark sheet document. And if you want, you can download also or take a printout. So similarly, if you go here and search for, say, PAN card. So click on this and enter your PAN number and enter the name as it is there on the PAN card and click on get document. So again, you will see that your request has been submitted. Please wait for the confirmation from the user. So see, again, you get this data. So under issued documents, you will see what all documents you have downloaded from the government records. So if you have this DigiLocker on your app, same process you have to follow. So you can download these documents, you can get access to these documents and you can use it for various KYC purposes, for example, in the bank while opening account. And since this is a government registered app, so there is no further need of verification for this document. These you are downloading it from verified sources. So this way you can download these documents. You can go here to see what all documents you access. You can search for some other access, some other documents like based on the state governments or for the central government. If you want to get some document, if you have some of these documents or some private sector documents, you can also get access to license or your insurance card. So various documents you can download from here education and learning. So your college I cards, your mark sheet, and this government and public sector departments, banking, financial. So you can just have a look at all of these options that you can get access to. So it depends what documents are given to you. Based on that, so you can see what all options you have, and based on that, you can get access to these documents. You just give it a try, and you will be given in a storage of 1 GB, so you can download as many documents for you. So I think that's helpful for you. Just give it a try, and you can get all these documents handy. Thank you.